Alright, so I have to do a review of my car, which is going to be after this, so I just wanted to make sure that I at least videotape this. These lenses are super cloudy. These must have been replaced at some point. They're a little more clear. They don't look great. They look okay there, but they're not that great. But I'm just going to go ahead and do a restoration on these and take out all of that haziness and yellowness and try to get them back to normal. I was going to take the bumper off, but then I got to jack the car up. I got to do all that jazz. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to tape around, do the whole process, and hopefully clean them up. And then I'm going to put in some HIDs. So I'll probably take some heat for that because people are like, hey, you shouldn't put HIDs in these. But hey, guess what? It's going to happen. I don't daily drive this thing anyways, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of results we get. Okay, you can see this one I've already done the first layer of sanding. I've got some swirling going on, but that's probably because of the drill that I'm using. You can see how much yellow is already out of the light. I mean, that's really impressive how much yellow is gone. I was trying to show you guys these ones over here. I gotta adjust the lighting, but yeah, you can see a lot of yellowing is gone. That's okay. There's both of them. Most of the yellow's out. Now we'll go in with the finer grit sandpaper. Give it another whirl. Alright, they're still drying just a little bit. I'm going to go back through with the final sandpaper, but so far looking pretty good. So we'll go from here. I wanted to take the bumper off and do all this, but I just couldn't do it right here. So they look good. They're like they got a nice haze on them. I'm going to put on that final 3000 grit and put them down a little bit further. Okay, there's one down with the 3000 grit. Now we'll do that one and then we'll go to the final steps. Alright, there it is. There's the clear coat is on. They look tremendous compared to even those ones over there, which you can't see. But they look pretty clear. I didn't get the edges as good as I want to. In fact, if you even go back, you can see the backup projector has some stuff on it, but I don't think I can clean that at all. But man, they are crystal clear. I still have one more coat of the clear coat to put on there, but they look amazing. I know this is on the iPhone, but I mean, pretty dramatic. These ones didn't turn out as good. I honestly didn't take as much care with these ones as I should have because they're already pretty decent shape, but they still look much better. But I mean, there's a dramatic difference. These ones are phenomenal. Oh, I still got some tape up there,